Addi Kids, and today I have this ginormous, nice box.
Hello!
Where did you come from?
I was behind you.
I thought you were filming a video for Dude Perfect Kids.
Well, I'm here.
Are you kidding
And I'm your special guest.
I didn't even know I was supposed to have a special guest.
Well, now here I am. It's a box that's L.O.L Surprise feature doll.
No, it's Series 2.
Series 2.
That's why it's inside the box.
Right. Open it.
Wait, what? Wait.
Wait, guys, look at this. Is that like a little side
path. Oh, I know. Oh, I know how to. Okay.
Guys, it's gonna be.
Oh, there's
Look
so
at all
much.
these accessories.
Okay. They're not accessories. They're
Hi guys, what are you doing?
surprise.
Guys, look at all these.
Oh,
right.
what? How? I don't always do.
Guys,
Okay.
look at all these accessories.
I found the doll. That's the doll.
Oh, let's start
Guys,
opening
let's
it.
get first, we have to get this together. So,
Let's attempt that.
how do we do it?
Okay.
Oh, I know.
Oh yeah, you put that. Smart. No, it's a
That,
Sadie.
and then,
So you put that like this like that. Oh my goodness, they're so complicated.
Okay, first step, get a parent. First step, get a parent.
Well, we're not going to set this up right now. We will do it at the end of the video.
Oh my
We will
goodness.
test.
Oh, it's her little dress.
Guys,
Okay,
guys,
and
show the
look at
camera.
doll.
Look at it. I
No,
have a little
no,
dress.
the doll is for
accessory.
the last.
Okay,
What
let's.
is this?
Guys,
what is
this?
Like the smallest thing ever. Oh, I know what that is.
Yeah.
I
Uh-oh.
know what it is. It's her shoes.
Oh, that's the
The
doll.
doll is
Guys, let's open it.
It's a little
Open.
ice cream thing. I know it's like
Oh my
ice
goodness.
cream. Yeah. I'm opening the car.
OMG, guys. It's a little table.
No, that's not a table. It's a seat.
Oh, it's a
Can
seat.
someone help me?
There's so much accessories, guys.
Who wants to open the car? Okay.
And some sunglasses.
Oh no,
Ooh,
those
savage.
are glass. Oh, this is a water bottle. Oh, it's so
Guys,
cute.
there's so much accessories in this.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, there's so many.
What is this?
And a little spoon.
Oh my goodness.
Look at all this. Look at this little spoon. It's so little. Guys, oh my goodness. Look at this. Stuff is at a minute.
Look at this. It's like an ice cream cone. It's a little umbrella.
Look, guys, let's put all the stuff inside this.
Guys, look. It's like a little ice cream cone. With a little table.
Are
And
you
look,
really?
look inside. Oh, yeah. Wait, let me see. Guys,
Wait, your shoes.
Oh, yeah, her shoes.
We can put that right there. Great, where's the umbrella? It was that thing. Look at the shoes. They're so cute.
So, guys, are you ready to open the doll? Yes.
Yes.
It's the finale.
How do you stick this?
I got it.
Oh, you not use scissors at all.
I got Bon.
On. Is that a baby? Come on, let's put on the dress.
Wait.
Wait.
Her head popped.
Guys, her head popped off. We will be back.
We'll be back. We can't show this. She's naked. Yes.
Wait here.
Okay,
Dress her up. Guys,
It's
dress
just
her up.
Yeah.
Just
we can't
put
show
it
you,
in.
and then we'll show you when she's
and
dressed.
these
up.
guys,
Her glasses.
Here's the final product of the opening box. So
That's
we have
a
the
good
garbage
show
can,
over there.
the ice cream, Ferris wheel in the background, the merch store over here, pizza, and there's a music festival and the picnic table there. And then the walkway goes all the way around.
Let me do it.
So yeah. No, she has a little skirt, guys. She already has a little skirt. Guys,
Okay.
now where's the dress?
The shirt.
Oh, this here's a little dress.
This shirt. Okay. Now she's
It
good to
is.
look at.
This is Addi's other surprise doll.
I love the shoes. Look at the
It's a
shoes.
real.
Her name is Gem or something.
Yeah, Gem. Is she like a
Gemini.
real or something? I don't know.
She's a super rare.
She's a super rare.
No, she's an exclusive.
She's exclusive. Hi guys. and Addi got him for Christmas.
I know. Her head popped off again.
Yeah, Addi. Let me do this.
Her head.
It's very hard to do this.
It's very hard to function L.O.L dolls.
Guys, where's the ice cream?
Oh
We lost an ice cream figure.
no.
Maybe Sadie ate it.
No.
Watch out! Look for the ice cream.
Well, I'm gonna dress her. It's a teal. And then you have to find it. It's a teal. Wait, I need the cheese.
I'm gonna put mine. That's
No,
why it's a teal one.
I put them on. It's my video.
Oh, I found it. Oh, wait, there's one more?
This is
Maybe that's the teal.
If it's the
What
teal.
else accessory could there be?
Okay.
Hey, do you need help?
No.
Okay.
I need scissors. This is my help.
clothes doll ready yet?
No. No. I need the
We're
other.
getting ready for the project.
Go. Dog.
First try. Is that the teal?
Yes, this is the teal. Take a look at this. This is my favorite one.
The teal.
It's like shiny.
Oh, look at it, guys. It lit up.
I know.
Oh, my
goodness. I need her head.
Oh, glasses.
Pop it.
Oh, my goodness.
Look at the doll. She's so cute.
Wait, where's the teal, guys?
Oh, it's right in here. Wait, she's not complete. This is one she's going to be cute.
Seat and a little bottle. It's okay, guys. So this will be
Oh my god, I popped off her head
the
again.
final thing, guys.
Okay, here's the doll.
Ice cream. This is a little baba.
So cute. Put it next to the ice cream truck. We're gonna show them the finale.
And she's gonna go over there.
Yeah,
Hey, put it next to the ice cream truck.
Go behind it.
Guys, that is what it looks like. You guys can put the doll in the ice cream wherever you want, the bottle wherever
doll
you
has
want,
sipped
in
over
the
it.
seat wherever you want inside the stadium. No, it's fine.
It's like a car.
And now this goes in to order some ice cream. Hello, ice cream. Have some ice cream.
Of course you can. What flavor?
No, where's the doll?
Wait.
Guys, so that's all the time we have today on Crafty Kids.
Wait,
So
guys.
we have to.
How much flavor?
There's
Wait,
only
how much flavors? Wait, we have to know we have to know.
Ice cream, iceberry, mint, 2B, 60 nuts.
Oh.
Okay,
Well, guys, that is all that we have for Crafty Kids.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Addi's channel, Crafty Kids, and our channel, Dupo Kids and Games Time Kids. And don't forget, our goal on one of my channels is to get 100 subscribers.
Yeah.
So keep liking and tell your friends and family and on
1,000.
all of our channels. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Proudest, noggin. See ya!